So I finally got my candle in from the Frozen Flame Candle Company, and let's take a look at how this appears. We'll do the unboxing here. We get a nice note from them with the receipt and basically asking to tag them on Instagram, which I will do. And then I'd ordered 2 products. We have, let's look at the lovely item inside. Seems to come out. Oh, nice decoration. Storage. Earthy. Smells good. Looking forward to lighting this one up. And what else did I get here? Storage nicely. Got a larger one here. Packaged very well. I like this nice bag, burlap bag over the candle. Beeswax is this one with their label, Frozen Flame Candle Company. And this one smells good as well. All right. We're going to light those up and let you know how we enjoy them.